Joining the Bitcoin secret loophole is the first step to achieving success beyond your wildest dreams. Don't miss your chance to get in on the ground level of the cryptocurrency market. You qualify for this exclusive opportunity. Beta testing is open for a limited time. Just listen to what others are saying. I saw all the hype revolving around Bitcoin, but I simply didn't know the necessary steps to jump on the wagon. It just seemed like a rather scary endeavor full of risks and technical demands. Seeing Steve's presentation gave me the confidence I needed to enter this once daunting marketplace. His promises turned out to be true, as I watched the money pour into my account in only a few hours. Thanks to Steve, I am well on my way to an early retirement. Steve changed my life by accepting me into this program. I've been an investor for a while now, but never really found much success. My portfolio included a variety of commodities and stocks that made long-term gains, but never turned into anything substantial. I was skeptical of cryptocurrencies, but I quickly changed my mind. $74,832.77 in under 2 months isn't bad for an initial investment of only $250, I'd say. It looks like I'm on the way to making a fortune. I was fortunate enough to receive an invitation to test Steve's new program. I am absolutely thrilled to report that joining the Bitcoin secret loophole was the best thing I've ever done. My finances have never looked better. Using Steve's program, I made over $400,000 in only 37 days. I didn't think I'd ever pay my student loans and mortgage off, but here I am, completely debt-free and happier than ever. What if you could have gotten in on companies such as Facebook, Apple, or Amazon at their youngest stages? Facebook's first big investor, Peter Thiel, cashes out, CNN. Apple shares have soared in recent years, Fortune. Amazon's Jeff Bezos has made a lot of money for people who bet on his company, Business Insider. Stop wondering what it would be like if you had acted in these initial stages. Experts know that timing is key to investing.